out of 399 with the pinstripe, Masahiro Tanaka. Yankees on the board. How about the Braves with a little old school? Tom C. Ron Gant. Ron Gant auto. Out of 399, 173 out of 399. Ron Gant auto. Braves are on the board. Then we have Freddie Franchise here. Freddie Freeman for the Braves. Tom C. to 99. Look at that auto. FF. All right. So, Braves picking up a couple hits. That's common for the Topps company. Wait for the Red Sox to start pouring out now. That's the way it usually goes here. Well, this one's a little bit thicker, guys. What could we have? Ooh, this one is thick. A little bit thicker than the others. Let's see what we possibly have here. Ooh, that's a sweet looking card. What do you see this one? Very nice. All right, 34 out of 50. Garrett Cole, double jersey. 34 out of 50 for the Pirates. Doug F. Garrett Cole. Followed by, there he is, Kevin Gausman, who's in every Tier 1 product, no matter when it is. Corey C. Kevin Gausman auto to 225. And this one is pretty sweet, going to Jamie S. Jamie S., check out your patch, buddy. Sticker auto, though. That's all right. Check out that patch. 61 out of 99. A patch like that, you'd think it'd be numbered a little bit lower, but sweet-looking card. Sonny Gray. Oakland on the board. Sweet-looking card. Jamie S. Sonny Gray auto. Very nice-looking patch there. Okay. We're still not at the halfway part, and I like this case a lot. Let's get some action on anything else. Ooh, this one's super thick, too. All right, let's go for it. This one's super thick also. We're going for it. Stack up our 6 boxes. I want to peek first. Oh, baby. Holy crap. Kev, you got a snap picture of this. I'm not even joking. Guys, get ready. I told you we have hot cases here. First of all, for the red, I'm shaking again. This is ridiculous, guys. Wait till you see this hit. Wait till you see this hit. Daniel Nava, first of all, for the Red Sox. Red Sox on the board had Kazu N to 399. For Seattle, so Seattle is Tom C. Kyle Seager. Auto, Tom C. And here it comes. You want to talk about a case hit?
Yeah? Come on, I'm curious.
Hammer and Hank, bat knob, 1-of-1. Hank and 1-of-1, bat knob, Tom C. Atlanta Braves. Boom! Someone snap a picture of that, please, at SBB Tweet. Get it out there. Let's get people in here. 1-of-1. Where is Tom C. tonight? Bat knob, Hank Aaron. We are on fire here at SBB, and I don't know why we're sitting here waiting for breaks. We should be filling these left and right. 1-of-1, bat knob, Hank Aaron. Hank Aaron, bat knob, and we're only halfway through the case, guys.
2 bat knobs in 2 weeks?
2 bat knobs in 2 cases.